Hello and welcome to Beanie Bar Academy. Let's continue the topic of options by discussing the payoffs and profits of a writer. In the previous video, we learned what is an option. An option is a contract that allows the holder an opportunity to buy or sell an asset at a specified price. There are two forms of options traded on exchanges: call options that provide the right to buy the underlying asset at the strike price, and put options that provide the right to sell the underlying asset at the strike price. Options tend to provide insurance to the holder against movements in the underlying price. The option price paid by the holder for receiving insurance. Who provides such insurance to the holder? That would be the option writer or the seller. Remember, the holder has the right to exercise the option, but the writer is obligated to meet the holder's requirements when the option is exercised. So, for a call option, the writer is obligated to sell the underlying at the strike price, and for a put option, the writer is obligated to buy the underlying at the strike price. It's important to note that holders have the right to exercise the option, and when the option is exercised, the writers are obligated to meet the requirements of the holders. So to explore the payoffs and profits of writers, let's look at our previous example where we considered 20 scenarios when investing $100 in the stock over a 180-day horizon. We have the payoffs of going long and short in the stock, which are now arranged in ascending order according to the stock price at 180 days or ST. From there, we considered call options with the price of $2 and a strike price of $100, and put options with the price of $2 and a strike price of $100, and we plotted the profits and payoffs. Now let's closely look at these profits and payoffs of both options. Note, taking a long position in the option refers to it being purchased. So therefore, the holder's payoffs and profits can be referred to as a long call option payoffs and profits for the call option, and long call payoffs and long put payoffs and profits for the put option. The profits of going long in the call equal to max ST minus K, 0 minus the price. And for long put options, it equals to max K minus ST, 0 minus the price. So let's consider two scenarios for both the long call and long put options. When ST is greater than K, the profits earned by going long in a call equal to ST minus K minus $2. That's when the holder exercises the option. And for a long put, the profits equal to 0 minus $2 because the holder has not exercised the option. Now, when ST is less than K, the profits of a long call equal to 0 minus $2 because the option has not been exercised. And the profits of a put option going long is equal to K minus ST minus $2 since the option has been exercised. Note, taking a short position in the option refers to it being written or sold. So let's consider what happens when the writer is writing a call option. So a short call profits will equal to the price minus max of ST minus K, 0. So when ST is greater than K, the holder exercises the option, and the writer gets a profit of $2 minus ST plus K. In the case of ST being less than K, the writer gets a profit of $2 since the option is not exercised. Now, that's what the payoffs and profits of a call option writer would look like in the same scenario. For put options, the short put profits equal to price minus max of K minus ST, 0. So when ST is greater than K, the put option is not exercised and the writer makes a profit of $2, which is also the price of the option. And ST is less than K, the writer makes a profit of $2 minus K plus ST because the option is exercised. So this is what the options payoffs of the put option payoffs of a writer would look like. If we can notice, the profits and payoffs of the writer mirror that of the holder. So is there a chance that the writer can make a profit even when the option is exercised? The answer is yes. So let's consider the case for call options. For when ST is greater than K and when the price is greater than ST minus K, let's take the example of ST equal to $101.26. If the option is not exercised, the holder will make a loss of $2 compared to when exercised, they will make a loss of $0.74. Therefore, in this scenario, the option will be exercised and the holder will make a loss of $0.74, which would be a profit for the writer. In the case of put options, for K being greater than ST when price is greater than K minus ST, so take the example of ST equal to $99.7. If the option is not exercised, the holder will make a loss of $2 compared to 1.7 if it were to be exercised. So therefore, the holder would exercise the option and take the loss of $1.7, which would be the profits of the writer. Therefore, during such scenarios, the holder will exercise the option as it would reduce the loss incurred from the fluctuations in the underlying asset. So to summarize, we know an option is a contract that allows its holder an opportunity to buy or sell an asset at a specified price. The writer of the option has the obligation to purchase or sell the underlying at the strike price if the put or call option is exercised. The payoffs or profits of the writer mirror that of the holder. We can see that the price of the option plays a key role in the profits earned by the writer or the holder. So, how does one determine the price of an option? Stay tuned for the next video.